Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel, and if you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Tuya Smart Wi-Fi switch for lighting. This incredible switch is the perfect addition to any smart home, allowing you to control your lights with just the touch of a button or the sound of your voice. The Tuya Smart Wi-Fi switch is not only easy to install, but it also works seamlessly with popular smart home assistants like Alexa, Google Home, and Alice, giving you the ultimate convenience and control over your lighting. But that's not all. With its Wi-Fi and RF capabilities, this switch offers a range of features that you won't find in traditional switches. It even comes with a time function, allowing you to schedule your lights to turn on or off at specific times, adding an extra layer of security to your home. And with its sleek design and compact size, the Tuya Smart Wi-Fi switch will seamlessly blend into any home decor, giving you the functionality you need without compromising on style. So, if you're ready to take your home to the next level and experience the convenience of a smart lighting system, be sure to check out the Tuya Smart Wi-Fi switch by clicking the link in the description below. Trust me, once you have this switch installed, you won't know how you ever lived without it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And as always, stay tuned for more exciting reviews and recommendations here on our channel. See you next time.